So in this chapter, number system, we will be talking about the number lines which you have seen previously. So here you can see I'm drawing a line, and we will call this line number line. So how can we draw this line? You see, this line is a continuous line, and you can see here at the middle there is 0, and this line has two parts. One part is negative part and another part is positive part. Negative part rests left of the 0, and positive part rests right side of the 0. Now you can see I'm writing some numbers, positive and negative. As I said earlier, the negative numbers are resting left side of the 0. -1, -2, -3, -4, and this line is a continuous line. So in this 1 and 2 there are billions of numbers. So in these billions of numbers, if I choose one, it can be 1 by 4. Another number could be 1 by 2, that is half.